Hello, and thank you for getting involved as we work to shape the future of transportation in Texas. The Texas Transportation Plan 2050, or TTP 2050, is updated every 4 years and guides TxDOT planning and programming decisions by setting a long-range vision for the state's transportation network that looks 20 years or more into the future. Your input will help the Texas Department of Transportation and the Texas Transportation Commission prioritize transportation investments across the state, which will impact millions of people as well as future generations. We want to know your thoughts and concerns about current transportation challenges and opportunities. We are also requesting feedback on priority areas identified by the state. The plan is multimodal. In other words, it covers all modes of transportation, including roadways, freight and passenger rail, bicycles, pedestrians, aviation, ports and waterways. By gaining a better understanding of your transportation priorities, TxDOT can sharpen its focus for how it invests your tax dollars over the next 30 years. These spending decisions are not made lightly. The last two transportation bills illuminated the importance of carrying out a performance-based planning process. We track a set of key performance measures to ensure transportation investments are making a positive impact on the safe and reliable movement of people and goods. The purpose of this meeting is twofold. For starters, we want to inform the public of the progress we've made on the planning process since our first round of statewide meetings in the spring. And secondly, we want to gather public feedback about how you would prioritize the limited resources available for future transportation improvements. The state faces critical challenges over the next 30 years, with significant population and economic growth projected through 2050. As the Texas economy expands, more people are predicted to move into the state's urban corridors. Technology holds the potential to address the population growth. Transportation planners expect to achieve benefits from technology, but also expect potential risks. One possibility is that self-driving connected vehicles could make better use of our roadways by communicating with each other and traveling closer than humanly possible. Although this scenario would mean more vehicles fitting into a lane, it could also lead to higher congestion levels. The trade-offs of technology need to be examined as we establish the transportation priorities for the TTP. Given all the challenges, how do we prepare? What will the Texas transportation system require to meet the goals of the long-range plan? To answer those questions, we will put together a comprehensive transportation assessment, and we will also forecast future revenues available for transportation. How do we transition from understanding the state's transportation challenges to investing in a future filled with uncertainties? The short answer is comprehensive strategic planning. We carry out a deliberative blend of planning scenarios, which enables us to develop a range of investment strategies which feed into the TTP. We anticipate the TTP first becoming available online in February 2020. We are also developing an interactive web version. If you would like to learn more, please check out these links for additional information on the TTP and for a virtual open house tour. Visit www.txdot.gov, keyword search TTP 2050 for all relevant materials. As we wrap up this presentation, we ask that you learn more about the plan and provide your feedback. Story maps and information boards are available to explain the variety of transportation modes, as well as TxDOT's roles and responsibilities in the planning process. Thank you for joining us today for what is an extremely important process. We ask for you to make sure you connect with us by telling us your priorities, taking our online surveys, leaving a comment, and spreading the word. You can submit your comments using the contact information on the screen. You can also join our information list by emailing us at ttp_2050@txdot.gov. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope you will stay informed and involved. Together, we can keep the great state of Texas moving forward.